Discord is an app that is made up of different communities, called servers. These servers provide a place where thousands of people can connect and communicate. In this video, we will tell you about the channel permissions in a Discord server. Channel permissions are an integral part of running a Discord server. By changing some of these permission settings, you can adjust that only chosen members have the permissions to edit the channels, while others without a role cannot edit or make changes in the channel of the Discord server. This makes it easier to manage the server by helping control which members can make changes. To change permissions, first open the app. At the main screen, tap on the three lines at the top, select your server, and tap on these three dots. Now, tap on Settings. This menu contains all the settings related to your server. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Roles. Here, you can choose if you want to change the permissions of a role or everyone. Tap here to view the permissions of all the members. You can now manage permissions as you like.